Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to present the formula debugging feature. To launch the interface, open the Chat Copilot task pane. Click on Examples and select Formula Debugging. You will then see the interface for this feature. The idea behind this feature is that you can point the Copilot to a cell or range reference that contains errors, and the Copilot will explain why the error occurs. Let's demonstrate this with several examples. Let's look at this example. We have a table with ID number and name columns. In cell B12, there is a formula that uses the XLOOKUP function to search for 2 as the ID number and return the corresponding name. However, it returns a not available error. Let's ask the Copilot to find out why. We just need to enter the cell reference B12 here and then press Debug It. The Copilot finds that the lookup value is entered as a text string, but the values in the range B4 to B7 are numbers. That's why XLOOKUP can't find it. The Copilot suggests changing the lookup value in the formula from 2 with double quotation marks to 2 without double quotation marks. As you can see, the answer from the Copilot couldn't be clearer. Well done. Similarly, here's a table with name and ID number. In cell C12, there is a formula that uses the XLOOKUP function to search for cell B12, aka Lily, among the names column and return the corresponding ID number. It should return 3, right? However, it returns a not available error. We enter the cell reference C12 here, and then press Debug It. The Copilot finds that there are extra spaces after the Lily in B12. That's why XLOOKUP can't find it in the table. The Copilot suggests removing the extra spaces. As you can see, the Copilot is smart enough to check the values and formulas of the relevant cells and explain why the error occurs. In this example, there is a table of sales, and I have a formula in cell B11 that I expect to return total sales are 600. However, this formula returns an error. We can enter the cell reference B11 in the field and then press Debug It. The Copilot detects that we are incorrectly using the plus operator to concatenate the string total sales are and the number. We should use the ampersand operator instead. The tool not only explains why the error occurs, but also shows how to correct it. To conclude, whenever you encounter an error in a spreadsheet, regardless of whether the spreadsheet is simple or complex, you can use this formula debugging feature to check it. The tool will check the values and formulas in the workbook and explain why the error occurs. It will also suggest possible ways to correct it.